Introducing the wireless battery video doorbell with 2K HD resolution. This state-of-the-art Eufy solution allows you to see who's there before the ring. The motion sensor detects when there is motion in the frame and can be customised to specific areas. Speak directly to anyone who approaches your front door via two-way audio. The camera lens allows you to see visitors in sharp detail 2K resolution as they approach your door against any backlighting. The ambient light sensor monitors the amount of light in the picture so you can get the best possible clarity. Once paired, the LED ring will glow blue to resemble that the video doorbell has been paired successfully to the Homebase 2. The doorbell button that is located on the bottom of the front fascia, when pressed, activates the audible chime in the Homebase 2 and can easily be seen even at night. The speaker allows visitors to hear real-time responses from you, even if you aren't home. The micro USB charging port, which is located on the back of the doorbell, is used to charge your doorbell. This can be done using the Homebase 2 or via USB charger. You have the ability to connect the video doorbell to an existing established doorbell wire via the power terminals. Use the doorbell detach pin provided if you wish to detach the doorbell from the mounting bracket. Press and hold the hole on the bottom of the doorbell and then lift its bottom to take it off. No cords, wires or installation costs, the Eufy video doorbell is completely wire-free and installs anywhere you want to survey with ease. The built-in Sony 2K sensor and professional-grade lens allow you to view activity in picture-perfect resolution. See visitors in sharp detail as they approach your door. After investing hundreds of dollars into a security system, should you really have to pay extra each month to use it? With Eufy, there are no monthly fees or hidden costs and has local storage with a 256-bit encryption. AES 128 data encryption ensures your footage is kept private on transmission and storage. It is truly storage you can trust. Have total control over what is detected through the use of motion sensor, smart human detection and activity zones. Receive real-time alerts when anyone approaches so that you never miss a delivery. You can even alert strangers that you're aware of their presence. Connect your doorbell to Google Voice Assistant or Amazon Alexa and check in real time on what's happening outside your home. The Eufy video doorbell range is available in 3 different versions. 2K wireless battery video doorbell with Homebase 2, 2K wireless battery video doorbell single add-on, and 2K wired video doorbell with wireless chime.